This is Latte channel. Today we will be making a cup of latte. First, we will prepare the ground coffee powder and add it to the portafilter. I've gotten this 20 bar coffee machine for my friend as a gift to their new house for them to make a cup of espresso, cappuccino or latte at home conveniently. After the coffee powder is added, we will tamp it gently to flatten it. Next, we will feed the portafilter back to the coffee machine and place a cup under it. We will then select a single cup of espresso and wait for our coffee to be ready. Next, we will then prepare our milk for steaming. And we will also move it up and down to froth the milk. Lastly, we will pour the steamed milk to the espresso. And here, our latte is ready to consume. Thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe to my channel below.